Today's lesson is inequalities. Given an inequality, we can graph its solution. Vocabulary. An inequality is a mathematical sentence formed by placing one of the following symbols between the two expressions. We have less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, and not equal to. Inequalities are always read from left to right. So here we have less than, this is less than or equal to, is greater than or equal to, is not equal to. The solution of an inequality is the set of numbers that makes the inequality true. And then we have the graph of an inequality is the set of points on a number line that represents the solution of an inequality. So when we talk about the solution of an inequality, you're talking about if, say, you're saying that x is less than -8. So any numbers less than -8 would be true for that statement. Okay, we're going to look at graphing inequalities next, and that is our true goal, if you will recall. Our goal is that we can, if we're given an inequality, we can graph the solutions. You guys have been looking at, I believe, statements such as these for a while. So we're going to look at what they mean. So graphing inequalities. When we graph an inequality, we place a circle at the number on the opposite side of the variable. So if the inequality symbol is less than or greater than, we do an open circle. And if the inequality is less than or equal to, or greater than or equal to, the circle is closed. That means it includes it. This one excludes it. Okay? So we're going to look at this. X is less than 2. So this would be all numbers less than 2. So our circle type here is open. Okay, it's not going to let me type. Never mind. Okay, I'll just pick up a pen. Sorry, bear with my writing. Open. Okay. So then, I'm going to change colors here. We'll go with, oh, wrong one. All right, so it's open because it excludes the number 2. So I'm going to do an open circle, and it's all numbers less than 2. So my line just goes this way. Oh, terrible line. Sorry, but you guys get the idea. My line, my arrow continues onward in that direction. All right. Now, all numbers greater than -3. So, greater than means we're going to go this direction. And we're starting at -3. So here's my -3. And it, again, excludes -3. It's not less than or equal, it's not greater than or equal to. So it's open. And it just continues on in this direction. And it gets all these numbers. And it continues on. So we could draw our arrow to continue it. All right, next one. X is less than or equal to 4. So we'll switch colors just because we have blue up on top. So we'll do blue again. Doesn't have to be, but it's just fun to switch it up. So I'm going to shade it in. And then it's less than or equal to. So I'm going to go all the way down. and my arrow again continues. And then the next one, all numbers greater than or equal to -5. So -5 is here, and it includes that one, so we circle it. Oh, I keep forgetting to write open and closed. I'll go back and fill those in. We're discussing it, but not writing it. Okay. Okay. So while you guys are doing all this, I'm going to pause it and write it so you guys don't have to go through that painful experience. Okay, got those done. And this last one, all numbers that are not equal to 1. So 1 is excluded from this. So we don't want 1 in it, so it'll be circled, open circle. And again, I forgot to write open. Oh, that's horrible. Undo that. Okay, try that again. I'll just do a single line, hopefully. All right, better. And it goes both directions because it's not included. It's all numbers but 1. Okay, so it is open. Maybe. There we go. Okay, and that is it. And hope you enjoyed. I'll see you in class. Make sure that you've written down any questions that you might have had, and I will see you next time.